Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to insert a different paint color in pages. Let's start the class. First go to the design menu, then page color. Choose any color of your choice and go to the insert menu, then shape. Take a rectangle. See like this. And then insert a sample paragraph with shortcut key equal RAND red and C. Increase the size. Okay. Then shape format and wrap text behind the text. Okay. Then shape fill. Okay. And this is how you change with different colors in MS Word. Okay. For third one, I'm taking gradient. Okay. Please watch the full video and like, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. And it's done for today.